Good evening, class. Today we are going to do a topic which is very important for you to know. Okay? The topic that we're doing today is called places and directions. Okay? So when you've gone for holidays, right, Jyoti?
Yes.
So when you go for holiday, there are things that you see, places that you visit. So we will be learning about the common places that we see, and we will learn how to ask for directions. How to ask somebody how to reach that place. Are we understanding?
Yes.
Very good. So let's really jump into the topic and start with the different places you will see. I will tell you what you do at that place and you all try to guess the name. Okay? Let's start. The first one is, where do you put your money and remove your money from?
Bank.
Bank, right, exactly, a bank. The next place we have, where we put our cars?
Parking.
Parking, right, our car parking. The next we have church, exactly, where we go to pray. The next one we have, where we see movies? Cinema. Correct. The next one, where we sit, have a cup of coffee?
Cafe.
Cafes, exactly. The next one we have is where there are books that are stored.
Library.
Libraries, yes. So a place where books are stored is called a library. Very good. The next, where you take someone who's not feeling well, who's
Hospital.
sick, hospital. Very good. I'm glad you learned this in the last class. The next one that we have is where you go to see old structures or old skeletons. that are stored. Museum. Very good. The next one we have is where you have a bench, swings, garden or a park. Very good. It's also called a park. Next we have, if you've lost something or if something wrong has happened to you in a place
Police
we don't know,
station.
you go and visit the police. Very good. You go to the police station. Where we have to pick a train, we have to take a train to travel. The place we go to, train station, railway station. Then when we have to buy things that we may need, supermarket. The mall is a bigger place, you're right. It's used for shopping. So like this one, this is our supermarket. This is our mall, this is our supermarket. So in the mall we will buy, you'll have branded showrooms and you will have other things. In a supermarket you will buy things you need every day, like water, grocery, things like that. Okay? So these are some of the places you'll see. Now coming to some more. We will see a swimming pool, right? This is where we all go to swim. So this is one of the places that you go to. Where are the animals? Zoo, right. The animals are in the zoo. The next we have children are studying in a school. Very good. The next one we have your planes are flying out of the airport. Exactly. Very good, Riddhi. The next one you have is a nice place where you go with your family, spend time. Hill station. And what is in a hill station? This is a hotel. Hotel, right? We stay in a hotel when we go on trips. Right. So this is your hotel. Have you understood the places?
Yes.
Different kind of places. So if I ask you, where does your family stay when they go on a trip? Hotel. Where do you go when you have to fly out of the country? Airport. Very good. Where do you go when you want to have a cup of coffee? Cafe. And what do you do when someone is sick? Where do you take them? Hospital. Very good. Now coming to location. This is to understand where something is. So you'll ask the question where. Okay? Say where. Very good. Where is it? Now this means, where is the ball? We're looking at the ball here. The ball is inside. It is in. Very good. The next one we have, it is on it. On the surface. Understand? It's on top of. On. Then we have below, which is under. The next we have in front of. So I'm standing here. Riddhi is in front of me. Okay? Riddhi is in front of me. The next we have, we're facing each other like this. It is opposite. Okay? Then we have, like if I'm standing here, next to. Okay? Then we have behind. It is behind me. The next word we have between. Between. What is between?
Between.
Between is when there are two surfaces and it's between it. Now, so you see two sides, they end like this. So this is called a corner. Corner. Okay, this is called a corner. So this person is standing at the corner. Then next we have directions. This side and this side. So if I have to tell you where am I supposed to go to reach the hotel, so you will say go this side. Okay, what is this side? This is your
Left.
left side. This is your left side. Okay, this is your left side. This is your, okay, I will stand in your direction. Let's do it like this. This is your left side
This is left.
and this is your
Right.
So what are the words? Right
Right
and
and
left. How do you know which is right and which is left? When you see the, raise your hands everyone, raise your left hand. Left hand. Okay, now imagine your head is like this and it shapes in the form of an L, the letter L of the English language, which means this is your left side. So the opposite side is your right side. Very good. So this is how you remember left and right. Okay. Now giving directions. So what did we say when you have to ask someone to go left? Okay, this is showing opposite based on my directions, but you have to show left.
Left.
And this is right. Go straight. What is the next one? Go straight. The next says go right. And the last one says, okay, supposing now you're standing here and you have to go not on this right, but you have to go on the right after that. So you will say take the second right. Someone will tell you, if you reach some place and you ask someone, I need to go to the hotel. So they will say take the second right, which means you go
Not
straight,
this one.
not the first right.
The other.
The next one, the second right. Very good. Now, asking for directions. So let's do this practice. I will say a sentence, repeat after me. I will ask you, Jyoti, where is the cafe? So you will say, it is at the next left turn. Is there any landmark? And you will say, it is opposite to the hotel. Okay, let's try it. I will ask you, listen to me first one more time. Where is the cafe? It is at the next left turn. Is there any landmark? It is next to the hotel.
Opposite to the.
Sorry, opposite to the hotel. Where is the cafe?
It is at the next left turn.
Is there any landmark?
It is opposite to the hotel.
Where is the cafe?
It is at the next left turn.
Is there any landmark?
It is opposite to the hotel.
Where is the cafe?
It is at the next left turn.
Is there any landmark?
It is to the opposite of the
Hotel. Now you ask me.
Where is the cafe?
It is at the next left turn. Ask me.
Is there any landmark?
It is opposite the hotel. Have you understood? This is how we ask for directions. One last time, Riddhi asked Jyoti.
Where is the cafe? It is at the next left turn.
You ask him.
Is there any landmark? It is opposite to the hotel.
Very good. Alright, now let's proceed with our final exercise, which is a worksheet. Take these please. I will tell you next two with, behind, in front of, and you all have to write the answers. Can you see the P on your sheet?
Yes.
Okay, that stands for your parking garage. Tell me, now if I tell you what is behind the parking garage, there's a church. Okay, so where is the church? Can someone point out? Here, very good. That is where your church will be. Okay, now I will tell you the bank is next to the church. So where will the bank be? Next to it. Exactly, it will be over there. Perfect. The next one we have the cafe. Can you see the cafe? It is opposite the hotel. Where is the hotel? Next to the bank, right? So we have the cafe, C-A-F-E, cafe, next to that. And finally, what is, you see the box behind the cafe? Where is it? Show me behind. Perfect, behind. So what is this? This is your museum. Okay, this is the museum. We've already filled that for you. And the last one we have is, do you see the chemist, everyone?
Yes.
So now see, next to the chemist is your school. What is it? School. This is your school, which is next to the chemist. So Have you understood from today's class? What have we learned? We have learned how to see the different places in a town. Right? Remember what we discussed? We discussed places like the mall, supermarket, hospital, hotel, cafe. Right? We learned how to ask for directions. Where is the place? Remember, where? So you say, where is the cafe? Then someone will answer you saying it's on the left, right, go straight. And finally, we learned how to find places based on a landmark. So next to the hospital, behind the hotel, next to the opposite to the museum, etc. Have we learned this today, class?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.